2, not so cold, but like it's not hot either. It's sunny outside with wind, cold wind, so it's nice. I get to wear the sweater, but I also need already sunglasses because the sun is too bright. You know, it's not cloudy, it's dark. It's just beautiful. Like, it feels so nice. It's like the perfect because it's enough to be sunny and like look at this beautiful park. You know, people are like laying their towels and stuff, but also it's fresh enough and cool enough for us to like be able to wear stuff like that, which is so much better. Because if it's hot, you cannot wear this. You just gotta like, you know, like be wearing like short stuff, and then when it's nighttime it gets cold. So that's the problem. We gotta go that way. So I'm going to Chelsea, the Chelsea Stadium. Then I think I might just either go to the, oh, there's a park over there made out of like pieces of trees, literally. I don't know, like it's too organized to not be done by the human hand, but like it looks very weird. So what I was saying is that I might just go to the boat. Yeah, I might just go to the boat and that'll be easier. So for the first time, Google Maps messes up. They told me to go to platform 2, the train that goes to Stratford, in the way of Stratford, and I did it, and it took me somewhere else. It took me to Tulse Hills instead of Westminster, which I had to take another underground until I got to Chelsea, and that's not what happened because it's already 2 o'clock and everything closes at 5, and I think I'm walking the wrong way. Yep, I was walking the wrong way. Oh my god. Oh, let's look at that view. Right? That's worth it. I don't like trains. I'd rather have underground. This whole thing that is like, it's either here or there and the other side, it's not like complicated, but it's so easy to mess up. And if you mess up, you go like 40 minutes an opposite way of where you're supposed to go. And they take forever. Undergrounds, they go fast. You go down, you got 2 options, either left or right. Either you're going that way or this way. Only one line, no other option. If you want to change lines, you get out that tunnel and you go into another tunnel. And period. You got no other options. In that next tunnel, either you got left or right. You want to go south or north, that's it, or west or east. And that's it. That's all they give you, which is so much better than this. That's how much they're going to fuck. To do this video, so I let it out so I don't have to do it later, and that's it. I don't want to be pissed while I'm here in London, you know. Look, the police. What is this?
What is it?
Uh-huh.
It's well, back in the
Am I allowed to record you?
Yeah, back in the Parliament, basically.
The president?
The back end, the rear entrance.
Oh, that's cool. Thank you. Alright, so like I was saying, you see, like London is awesome. So basically, I don't have money in the London Pass. Does not give you a public transportation. It just gives you £40 that you already pay for the £40. So it's the same as getting the regular Oyster. I apparently have a bunch of penalties because I wasn't tapping in the right places and I used it too many times. So today's the 3rd day and I actually lost already the £40. So I need to put more and more money into the card so I can keep moving. And then today I lost the whole day. I was in front of the Chelsea Stadium, and I made a stupid decision of going back to try to solve this. I lost the whole day of today, the whole pass of today, on this bullshit, figuring out why he said that I didn't have any money. So that's just a reminder. That's already cool. I already fixed that. I just put more money. I'm in London. I gotta enjoy the fact that I'm in London, and that's it. Like, look at this place. Oh, that right there is that's the Big Ben. I'm gonna get closer. So this right here is the palace and stuff, but it's under construction, so we cannot see it. But that's the Big Ben right there. Too bad I cannot see it. So I'm on the boat. I get to use it today and tomorrow. Same ticket, because the ticket is 24 hours, which means that good news already. Finally, like, you know, after all the bad news that we got, good news is good. What do I need to give you? Ticket? ¿Te toca el ticket?
Sí.
Where you from? Spain?
Spanish, yeah.
There you go.
We try and carry on a bit of a tradition here on the Thames. The company, they put on the boat a computer. You hear it on every other boat as well, the pre-recorded commentary. So you might have heard it on a bus. We don't like to use it, me and my friend, we refuse it, and we like to do it live. Is that okay? I try and speak as slow and as clear as I can. See, I understand there's people on the boat from all over the world. The black and white vessel to your left is called the St. Catherine. It's the former royal barge. Every time a member of royalty used to come on the river, they travelled on the St. Catherine. It's not the royal barge today, it's a floating bar and a restaurant. These are the Blackfriars Bridges. Sometimes the tide can rise up so high, we can't fit this boat through these bridges. This is the biggest sightseeing boat here on the Thames. And we can't fit it through the bridges when the tide rises. The Blackfriars Railway Bridge, they widened the bridge. They put the station on top. It cost £500 million to put the station on the bridge. They did it for the 2012 Olympics.
Everybody like nothing. Look, there's an underground right here in the Tower Bridge. How crazy is that? Like, how crazy is how they accommodate regular life. See? Woo! That bird went too close. So here we are. Got my Ben and Jerry's on. Walking around, I don't know where. London. Everybody's like, oh my god, it's so hot, it's so hot. I think they've never been to Miami to think it's hot. It's not hot. No idea where I am right now. There's no one thing. This place looks attractive. And second thing, I gotta pee. So I'm looking for a bathroom as soon as possible. Let me ask for a bathroom. Oh, around here. Hello. Do you know, is there any bathroom around?
No, down them stairs there.
Down the stairs? Thank you. I hope I get to record some of those people that I asked, because that one looks so English. It's not even funny. Like, he looked really English. Like that one right there. It's crazy. But this is it for today. It was a long day, I know that for sure. I gotta book my train now for Manchester. Peace.